Hello guys, welcome back, konnichiwa, herzlich willkommen. Yeah guys, update here on Canopy Growth, ticker CGC. The market is going crazy guys, yeah, absolute crazy. We have here many squeezes in the market, and I want to also give you here my updated video here on Canopy Growth, the price levels to the up and the downside, and if we could see here also a squeeze incoming. I can already tell you one very good news. We have a perfect technical reaction at my expected price level, which I already predicted here in the previous videos. So check them out. If you're new guys, welcome to my channel. The main purpose is to educate you in trading, and I usually do that here by talking about short squeeze stocks. Not only I talk about them, I try to predict them. And let's see if Canopy Growth also has here the chance to squeeze or even short squeeze here in the next days or weeks. So of course, everything what I say here is not a financial advice. Everything is here based on the chart and based on the technicals, guys. And this is the chart. So before we dive in here, guys, I want to show you that I said that here in the beginning that I predicted something to happen here for Canopy Growth. That was the reason why I released here a video at the 10th of October, because this green line here was my personal buy-in price level, which I expected to see in kind of a shakeout. Just please rewatch my previous videos if you don't believe that. And the green liquidity box which we have here for Canopy Growth, that means that usually the buying algos are waiting here, is here between $4.79 and $4.28 guys here. This range here is usually in favor for the bulls, and as I said, the lowest shakeout level which I expected here was $3.84. And when we zoom in, then we can see that we had here a picture perfect technical reaction, 100% on the dot on this price level, and Canopy Growth recovered already since then in total here 37%. This is not a big squeeze yet guys, of course neither a short squeeze. I said we have here an absolute crazy market situation right now. What I mean by that guys is that we have actually something like that. I don't know how many times I need to update this screenshot here, but one of my hot stocks is squeezing here just like crazy. I released this video here on Sunday. Yeah, every Sunday guys I release my so-called hot stocks. You will see these videos here on Patreon and YouTube, where I release those videos every Sunday. And every ticker here in this hot stock videos, I expect them to squeeze in the very next few days after my video release, and that happened already twice this week guys. And this ticker here is squeezing, still squeezing, but we have already here a price pump of 850%. Absolute crazy. Yeah, the second stock which squeezed this week also here from my latest hot stock video on Sunday guys is squeezed 290%, which almost looks like nothing compared to the other one, but you can see just to combine these two tickers, we had here 1100% squeeze for just two tickers in just 2 days guys. Yeah, so if you want to see my hidden short squeeze stocks guys, I release those videos every Sunday, and of course I release also a lot of other member content here. You can join in here. My most popular membership is the full package membership on Patreon. As I said, I release there all the member videos and the hot stock videos, and in addition some special tickers. I call them the swing trade alerts. These are screenshots also from tickers with buying liquidity zones, exit and stop loss price levels. Very convenient for people who don't have the time to watch all my videos, and everything is here available on Patreon guys. If you want to join in here, everybody is welcome. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader. We're growing here every day guys, every day new members joining in. We're getting more and more, bigger and bigger, stronger and stronger. If you want to join in, please click here the info icon in the corner, and then you can access the link guys. Yeah, please be aware, if you join in now before November 1st guys, you just pay the actual price which is shown up here, shown in Patreon. The problem is that Patreon, not me, Patreon will increase the member fees starting November 1st. So everybody who joined in after November 1st guys has to pay 30% more. This is why if you want to join in, take the chance, join in before November 1st. If you don't quit your membership before November 1st guys, you always have to pay the actual price. Everybody who joined in after November 1st guys has to pay additional 30%. The links, as I said, when you click this info icon here, you can access the link to the Patreon membership guys. So Canopy Growth, what to expect guys? Let's check now here what the chart is telling us. And yeah, we are here at the make it or break it price level. In my opinion, it looks still good here in favor for a squeeze. However, we have to conquer now this purple EMA line here. This purple EMA line is usually a strong resistance for many stocks. Canopy Growth has not that much problem to conquer this line here. We can see we have some pumps here over this purple EMA line, but they are not lasting long. That's why I think if the volume here, we had very nice volume yesterday. This is exactly what we want. We want to see that the bulls are still there. And as I said in the beginning of the video, this was exactly the price action which I expected, that we come down here to this shakeout level. We have a picture perfect technical reaction. And as soon as we have been back in here in this liquidity zone, you can see that, guys, as soon as we tried to touch the liquidity zone, the bulls came in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 green candles, and yesterday with volume. And as I said, when we can continue here to trade over $4.96, we have a very good chance to go back here in the $6 range here. $6.12 is one open gap which we have to fill, and then the next open gap, you can see that here in the table, guys, at least in the daily chart, would waiting here at $22. And this is what I think, guys. So the bearish market makers, the short interest for Canopy Growth is not that high, so this is not a super shorted stock. As I said, I think somewhere here between $3.84 and the all-time low at $2.76, somewhere here is a very good range here to accumulate your positions. We had this previous trend channel pattern. If you didn't see my previous videos, guys, this blue lines here in the chart, the two lines here, is the previous trend channel pattern. And you can see that we started to break out here sideways out of this trend channel pattern. Yes, it is possible that we even retest this line one more time. It is very unusual to have so many retests here, because we break out once, then came back in twice, break out here again, retested, yeah, break out again, came down. So say never never, guys. That can happen that we even come down here back to $2.50 or lower, but as I said, it is just not usual to happen. I would love to see here an accumulation before we can start to see a potential short squeeze here or squeeze for Canopy Growth. So what needs to happen if we want to see a squeeze, guys? It's very simple. We need to conquer back this white trend line here in the chart. So I will disable for a second here the indicators. This white trend line here, guys, at $6.37 is what I call the make it or break it price level for Canopy Growth. If we come over this price level here, then we have the potential to come back here to $8.34 or even back here to $12. So that is a massive squeeze potential based on the actual price. We could see here a run of 150%, but we need this kind of volume, guys, for a couple of days. We need to break these price levels, because you can see how this white trend line works. Every time when we trading below this trend line, it usually acts like a resistance, but when we have volume, guys, then it acts also like a squeeze trigger here, or like an algo pump trigger. And that's what happened here over and over again for Canopy Growth. And since they are not diluting the stock too heavily, we have a little bit of dilution here related to Findle, but this is still okay. That's why I say as long as we, or as soon as we conquer here $6.37 and close here over this price with volume, you can expect here a squeeze to happen. As I said, there is a resistance level here at $8.34. Maybe then the squeeze is already over and we come back down one more time. But this price level here is key for Canopy Growth. Yeah, guys, if you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, I will zoom out for you. This is here everything based on TradingView, the program what you see here. I use TradingView for all my videos, guys, and for all my trades. I can highly recommend that if you want to learn trading, especially when you join in here our trading community. If you want to learn trading, guys, in my opinion, there is no way around that you use a good chart program. If you really, yeah, or even plan to become a day trader or swing trader by yourself, then there is no way around that you also invest here in a good trading tool. That's why I recommend TradingView, guys. I'm not sponsored by TradingView, but if you want, you can also use here my discount link, available also when you click here on the info icon. You can access the link to the discount link here for TradingView. And if you use this link, you save $15. And I always recommend the premium tier. This is good for beginners and advanced traders. Guys, that was my update here for you on Canopy Growth. Yeah, if you like this content, if you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. If you want, guys, then of course you can check out my previous videos where I already talked here about this buy-in price level. I wish you great success with Canopy Growth and all the other short squeeze plays. Thank you so much for your time and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute mit Canopy Growth und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.